What's up, guys? So I'm gonna do this quick install on these blinking brake lights. So let's get started. We're gonna be doing it on my 9th gen Civic Si, and for the removal or for the installation it's pretty easy. All you do is remove 3 clips on each side. And then all you do is just pull this lining back, and the brake light should be that very top one. Should be this one. So all you do is righty tighty, lefty loosey, pull it out, replace it with one of the blinking ones. Now you want to make sure that you push them as far as you can, because there's not really a click to these. You just got to make sure they're in all the way. Same thing, put it back in. We're going to leave that there. We're going to check it before I reinstall the clips. I already took the clips off of this one, but same thing. And it's this top one again. Replace it with one of these, and again make sure they go in all the way in. And then we're going to check really quick. And there you go. So I did have trouble with this one, and I think it was because I was putting in wrong. So if you see that it's not working for you, just go ahead and switch the bulb around. But that should be the that's the finished product right there. So when you press on the brakes, it'll blink the 4 times the first 4 seconds, and there you go. So also I know a lot of you guys were wondering if these lights are actually legal, and they actually are. I went on this website, I typed in the vehicle code. So that's the vehicle code right there. I'll put the link in the description below so you guys can print one of these out. It's always handy just to have one in your car. And yeah, hope you guys found the video helpful, and thank you guys for watching. Until next time.